What's up? I'm Jay Cook,
Matt Nab.
and today we're doing something a little bit different. Matt, you want to explain?
Today we're going to be doing junk removal
Something you've always wanted to do.
for a long time.
Check it out. We're going to be working on getting rid of all this cool stuff. Matt, would you care to explain what all this cool stuff is?
Well, it's a mix of things. If you look closely, I mean, you've got everything from an old big truck wheel balancer. That actually came from you.
It came from my family's factory.
Brake drums. There's an old
Battery.
tester of some sort. We've got parts of mattresses. We've got a Neon with bullet holes in it. We've got some yard equipment, exhaust. It's all scrap metal, and it's all gonna go get cashed in.
Yep, so today we're gonna start working on this great pile of scrap metal treasures. Lawnmowers. Oh, there's a bicycle.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, cool. You got all kinds of cool stuff. And the Z car. Check this out. You've been wanting to pull this car out for a little while.
I honestly forgot about it because it's been so buried for so long.
Oh, yeah.
I cut some trees down to reveal it, and we'll have to get back up in there and cut that large pine tree off the Neon, but
Oh, yeah, I see that. Okay.
we have the tools.
So, that's what we're going to be starting on today. We're taking a break from the Demon to work on cleaning up some stuff.
Yep.
Okay, as you can see, we are loaded. Matt, how much money do you think this is worth in scrap metal?
$100.
100 bucks? I'm going to say 55. I'm gonna go 55 bucks right here.
Okay.
Here we go. Let's go see. Check out the cool vet.
And the MG up there.
Flames. Yeah, a little MG up on the concrete, looks like. Ooh, the mullet Camaro.
Only the best.
All right.
All right.
Moment of truth.
Who do you think was closer?
Ooh, me.
Wrong.
How?
20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Dang! High five. All right. One load down.
All right.
Check out the early or mid 90s Ford with the Chevy dually bed. Nice. Okay, next leg of the race, we're going to work on getting this Neon ready to come out. Matt, are you sure you want to haul this car off for scrap? I mean, there's good parts. I know you want to restore these.
I don't know. Maybe we can give it to Jameson first.
I don't think so.
Sorry, buddy.
5 minutes of work, and check it out. We uncovered a Z car hatch. We're going to see if somebody might want that before we scrap it. It's actually a really nice piece. It's not bent or nothing. And we're starting to uncover this car. What was it, a 280? Yep, 280 ZX.
I think that one might have been a turbo car.
Ooh, really?
Yeah.
Good parts car for somebody.
I don't know if it still has an engine or not.
I don't know. As long as I've known you, I've never seen this car up close.
Yeah.
We are inching closer here. Matt, you want to do the honors in opening the door? If it'll open. Oh, yeah, maybe it will. No. Dang.
Nope.
Not right now. She's being shy. It's okay. All right. Got it hooked up to her to see if we can pull her out. Oh, yeah. Look at that. I think, yeah, we're good. Do we have enough room to get him out? Is there another place we can put that?
I don't know. Like, I think that's okay right there.
Okay.
Because I can cut the trailer and drag it up on there.
Yeah. How long has this car sat right here?
I don't know.
I know the tag says 04 last time it was tagged.
I don't know.
Been there a while. As long as I've known you, it's been sitting right there.
So I think he got this car before I went to Houston, and that was 06. So.
Wow. All right, got that hooked up. Matt's gonna back his truck up, and we're gonna try to yank this thing out without cutting trees down, just for the fun of it. Because Matt really loves Dodge Neons. He just has a passion for them. Here we go. Oh, party foul. Who did this one? Round number 2. Oh, holy cow. You got it. America. Wow. Go to your right. Mopar, no car. You'll have to hook to your, go right with it. Maybe you can pull it over this way.
I ripped the wheel off.
Yeah, oh dude, that was pretty good.
Look at the water coming out of the muffler.
Nice. I mean, we could probably get that.
Gas tank. A beer bottle, a radiator, a rake.
Rake. Hidden stuff. Ooh, is this a cherry bomb?
Yeah.
Just left of one. Nice. Yeah, we didn't have to cut anything. There's a old bent up jack stand. Dude.
Look at that beautiful destruction.
I know. Can't believe you don't want to restore this. I mean, it's so not worth saving. Wow. Dude, you weren't kidding. There's not a dead body in here, is there? I have to ask you on every car.
Well, whatever's in there's been in there a really long time. Oh, there's no door.
No. All right, go ahead. I'll try to straighten this thing out a little bit. Get it more up on the concrete. Wow.
Today, we're going to show you how not to jack up the car.
Right on the bumper. You know, working on customers' cars for all these years, trying to make things nice, this does feel good to destruct stuff.
Oh, it's lifting it.
Here's the next question. Who's going to get underneath there and put the tire on? Okay, while Matt's down there getting the trailer hooked up, I want to see if any of these tires on here actually hold air. I hope they do. That'll help it make it easier for us to get it up on the trailer. And you have no idea how excited Matt is to be getting rid of this car. He's been looking at it for years, and he's just ready to see it go bye-bye. Ah, about lost my shoe. Nice. How much, Matt? How much you think it is?
With the bed and the neon, I'm gonna say 325.
I'm gonna say 300 even, or 305. I'll say 305. Goodbye, neon. You want to cut the converter off? I didn't think about it till just now.
Oh well, too late. Thank you.
All right, survey says
What was your guess?
305.
And mine was 275.
Yours was 350.
Oh, I did bump it up, didn't I?
You said 350 or 355, something like that.
Okay, so you win this round.
I won this round?
Yeah, it's 194.
Ah.
93, 20, 40, 60, 81, 40, 60, 80, 93.
Okay. Well, head back to base. Well, there you have it, Matt. We got a lot of stuff done today. Car's gone. This one is going, actually, we're going to be getting rid of this car. Yep. We just got through talking to your dad about that, so.
Another one will leave.
Another one will leave, and we got some other things we got in the works, so it's been actually a really good day today.
It's been a good day.
Yeah.
And I have a new hill I can climb with my four-wheeler.
Yeah. I mean, how long has it been since you've seen all this stuff right here without a car there? That's crazy. It's looking better, a little at a time, brother, a little at a time.
A little at a time.
But it's been a good day. Hope you guys are all doing great like we are. Be good to one another. Enjoy life while you got it. We'll see y'all next time.
See ya.